The word that comes to mind is amazing. This radio is amazing. This is the Condor One, which I showed you a couple of shows ago from the people at IRONSNOW. You can get it off of Amazon. And the biggest attribute is 20,000 milliamp hours. So I've been doing a battery life test. I tuned to NOAA radio and I just let the radio play. And it's been playing for 10 days already. And the battery indicator is at 75% still. 75%. So I'm guessing this thing could run maybe a couple months just using the radio. Now, I did not use the lights. There's two lights here, and then there's a reading light back here. I did not use those. Those will use up quite a bit of power. And you can use it to charge your tablet or your cell phone with 20,000 milliamp hours of battery life. It's just totally amazing. 10 days, it's only down to 75% of the original charge. I think this is a great radio. You ought to get you one. I've got it in my Amazon store. The link to my Amazon store is in the description below each of my videos. And I want you to have a happy holiday. Bye-bye.